Okay, I'm going to refer you today about the recruitment of assistant professor post, which is currently going on at ISI Kolkata. So, Indian Statistical Institute, ISI Kolkata is a very renowned institution in the city of Kolkata. So, currently there is a recruitment of assistant professor post, which is going on there. So, let's see how you can check that. So, to check that, you just have to visit the home website of ISI, and here you can see that in the top itself there's a recruitment updates going on, or here also you can see in the news or updates you can find that the advertisement was advertisement for faculty recruitment. So this is uploaded on 10th February 2021. So let's see what is mentioned in this advertisement. Okay, so yeah. So what are the key points to note here is, so this is a rolling advertisement, okay? So it is valid till December 31, 2021. Okay, so till 31st December 2021. Yeah, that means till the end of this year, this advertisement is valid. So they are making actually in three cycles. So the applications that they have received till 30th April will be considered in the first cycle. The applications received by 31st August will be considered in the second cycle, and the applications received by after 31st August and before 31st December will be considered in the third cycle. Okay, so this is a rolling advertisement which will remain valid till the end of this year. Okay, and for this year they have a minimum of 22 vacancies. So these vacancies are minimum. Okay, so these vacancies can also be increased, and you can see for unreserved it is 9, and for SC 3, for ST 2, OBC non-familiar 6, economically weaker section 2 vacancies, and 2 vacancies extra for persons with disability. So there are sufficiently good number of vacancies, and these are the different divisions in the ISI Kolkata. So, for example, those so you can obviously you can apply to a specific division of their choice. Okay, that means you have to select a division for which you are applying for the post of assistant professor. Okay, these this is the qualification, age limit, and pay band. So for the assistant professor post, the qualification is PhD, and should have at least 3 years of post PhD uh, experience. That means after PhD, you should have at least 3 years experience. Your age limit is preferably should be below 35 years, and the pay band is level 12. Okay. For exceptional candidates, this 3 years experience could be waived off or could be uh, lower. Okay, what other benefits for new faculty members? A startup research grant of up to rupees 5 lakh could be provided in the first year if you submit a proposal, suitable proposal for that. Other than that, the PDF or it's a said provisional professional development fund or professional development allowance, which is cumulative, which becomes cumulative up to a block of 3 years. So 3 lakh for every block of uh, period of 3 years. Other than that, uh, you know. The faculty involvement in startups, accommodation in campus, and medical facilities are also available for all the faculty. Okay, so for the interviews for interviews, presentation, etc., the travel expenses will be reimbursed within India from any point, and obviously the candidate must have to submit the tickets accordingly. And the candidates which are employed in government or semi-government organizations or public undertakings or universities and institutions, they have to submit a NOC at the time of interview. So yeah, so these are the documents that you have to submit along with your application. So there's a performer. You can see, yeah. So this is the performer for the application. So you have to fill this performer, take a printout of this performer, fill it, and then you have to send this. Okay. So this is the performer. The first point. This is the application form basically. Along with that application form, you have to attach the CV with the list of all your publications. Okay, a proposed research plan and a proposed teaching plan for your undergraduate and postgraduate levels. So basically, what courses and what's the teaching plan. And for the if you are submitting the application under any category or a caste category, so you have to submit the corresponding certificate for that. Okay, any other relevant information if you want to furnish, you can attach that, and any five important publications prints that you also have to attach, and this you have to combine in a single PDF file, and you have to submit the complete PDF file which consists of all these documents in this sequence, uh, and you have to mail that single PDF file to this mail ID, faculty underscore application at isical.ac.in, and in CC you have to mark the professor in charge or head, SQC and OR of your relevant scientific division, so for whichever you are applying. So these are the mail IDs of various scientific divisions, professor in charge. Okay, so for example, if you are applying for computer science, so this is your corresponding division. So you have to mark this. So Professor Krishnendu Mukhopadhyay, and it is the mail ID of him, and you have to mark him as CC in your application. So the in two you have to mark this, and in CC you have to mark the corresponding professor in charge of the division. Okay, yeah, and this is the performer that you have to fill. Okay, so yeah, so you can obviously take the benefit of this. So just go through it, and it's a sufficiently good number of vacancies. Okay, that's it for this